Hello everyone, welcome to another unboxing video. Today I am checking out this little box here. And in here we have a whole bunch of like space oriented little, let's see, we got these. And here's like a little rocket ship on there. I think these are little necklaces. There's a whole bunch of these little guys in here. So if I get these little clasps out, if I can, is it perhaps interesting? And it's got these little rings on there. We got a whole bunch of different things, like a little rocket ship, and a spaceman, and a spaceman, and like a planet. Okay, and then we have these little devices here. So I'm guessing that these attach on there, and you can have your little like key ring type thing there, basically. I'm having a little bit of a learning curve on this as far as how to hook it up here. Perhaps that just goes through there like that. And then that would go through there. And then you would just like pinch it with some pliers or something. Okay, just like that. Had it. And then you could, once it goes through that metal part, you could pinch this closed. I might be able to actually do it with my hands. I don't want to do it with my teeth, but yeah. Okay, I can just do it with my hands there, and that kind of just locks in there, and then use that as like a little key ring or something like that, where you could just loop it through there and attach it to your key ring, or perhaps you could even do some kind of like an earring thing, maybe? I don't know. So this pack comes with a whole bunch of these. There's probably like 20 of them there. So just, I think I showed you all the different ones. But just maybe if you have like a classroom or something like that and the kids were into space. And also this comes with some little bookmarks. These are handy. Visit Mars, imagine, dream, believe, off into the space, go out and explore to the moon and back, out of this world, shoot for the moon, reach for the stars, space station, dream big, sky is the limit. Is that the only true one? And explore the universe. If the sky is the limit, then can you explore the universe? But some pretty cool like bookmarks. These are definitely for like teachers or something. And then on the back of these, which is something quite handy, we have a ruler with inches and centimeters on there. So pretty cool. There's a lot of stuff on there. Like I know like teachers buy sometimes a lot of their own things to bring into the students, and if you want to encourage your kids to read and things like that, and a bookmark is just, you know, another handy device to have as far as keeping your place in the book, and then just inspiring people, and then you can measure it to use it to measure things as well. So thanks for watching this unboxing videos, my friend. Have a great day. I'll see you next time.